Hello, this is Ivy from Green Motor Tech. We specialize in high-performance electric motors and complete EV conversion solutions for a wide range of applications. Today's video introduces our 144-volt, 15-kilowatt, peak 13-kilowatt PMSM model featuring air cooling, 170 Nm torque, and a maximum speed of 7,000 RPM. This high-performance model is chosen by many of our customers. It features helping winding technology, operates on a low-voltage platform, and is ideal for urban logistics vehicles as well as EV conversions of classical models such as VW and Fiat. If you have any EV conversion or customization requirement, please feel free to contact our sales team.